Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to very easily see your FPS in any game, and then also your computer performance. So if we go on down to search on our Windows 11 or 10 computer, just type in game space bar, and we can open this up. And just on the Windows game bar, we have this option for performance right here. So if we go to FPS, we can see that under here. Go to this little option, and we should be able to open up additional options where we can decide if we want CPU on, GPU, VRAM, FPS, and we can just pin it now. So if we pin it and we close game bar, this will always display on our screen. So if you remove these other options for like CPU, VRAM, and stuff, and just show the FPS, it'll be a lot easier just to keep up on your screen. So we can go back to game bar 2. So you can see I can collapse the side. Let's go back to game bar and open this up. Now the shortcut key for this is, I believe, Windows button plus G, and it'll open up. Then we can unpin it. So typically maybe I'll keep it in the top left, and I'll pin it and then get rid of everything else. So you can see if your GPU is maxing out, which is kind of nice. Sometimes that'll happen. Or if your CPU is maxing out, and then you know to adjust the graphics settings a little bit. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.